Hello, my name is Colleen Crawford. I'm here to ask you a couple questions. Do you ever feel like there was a season in your life where you felt like you just knew you wanted something to be different? Whether it's your relationship, whether it's the vision for your future, whether it's something to do with your business, whether it's even just personal, like you're setting these big giant goals and you're not necessarily attaining them, or maybe you want to create authentic community and true authentic relationships in your life. I've been there. I've been in all of those arenas and then some. And here's what I know. 10 years ago, I invested 3 days of my life in a low-cost, life-changing workshop. Somebody contributed to me how beneficial this workshop was to them. And at first I didn't believe it, but I thought, I was willing to take it on because I was looking for something different. And I will tell you, this has completely transformed my life. That's my truth. And so I'm inviting you just to give me a call, shoot me a text, or attend a Zoom call that I'm going to set up for tomorrow, October 9th at 12 o'clock Eastern Time. What I'd like to do is just educate you on what's possible as a result of this workshop. It is by far the best investment I ever made. And I'm speaking for myself. However, if any of this sounds even like an inkling of what you might be interested in, how you could author things differently for yourself in some arena of your life in the very near future, this workshop in November is a great opportunity. So I extend you to reach out to me. My number is 216-905-2429. Or feel free to talk to the person that sent you this video. I'm sure they could answer your questions as well. Or join my Zoom meeting noon, October 9th. And if you get this video after October 9th and you want more information, call me or text me. I'm happy to make arrangements. So this is Colleen. I'm just checking in to ask you to check into yourself. And if you'd like to learn more, I'm available. To your success. I hope I talk to you soon.